Greetings, Earthlings. I think I found a solution for the sound for this TacoBot game, and it's perhaps not vintage correct, but I think it'll be kind of cool. Rather than use a speaker, as we saw in the last video, and have to cut a hole and stuff, I've got one of these, and I don't know if you can see that very well. It's called an exciter. An exciter. This came from Parts Express. This is a Dayton Audio exciter. And what it is it's kind of a speaker, but it turns whatever you connect it to, whatever you put it up against, into a speaker, basically. So here's our little amplifier that we saw that's stripped out of the silly PC speakers that I bought. And let's fire up here and see if we can get something going. I've got my signal generator. So I've got a 1 kilohertz sine wave. And we're giving it 12 volts, which is what I can provide with this. And what the amplifier chip can take. I could otherwise run it on 5 volts, as they were doing originally. So in theory, if I turn that on, I don't know if you can hear that, but look at this. Just a piece of cardboard. Piece of cardboard turns into a speaker when you put this up against it. Okay, so I could mount it. I've mounted it on the inside, but I could mount it on the front. That could kind of work. But I think the best place is probably underneath, right about here. Well, I don't know if that's going to be loud enough. Using the top as the aluminum top here is the speaker, basically. Well, there's no significant difference between those two. I could. I don't know. I'm going out of the picture here, but if I connect it to the monitor, I can get a decent sound out of it. Let us try connecting it instead of to a sine wave to the actual TacoBot game. Let me switch the power off. Let me turn this off. We'll plug it in. Plug it into the audio output of the TacoBot game. Plug in the TacoBot game. And I'm going to try it up here. And there will be a slight delay before it starts playing, but we'll see. I said it will start playing. Oh, I have to turn the power back on. Ha ha! Oh, that's quite nice. So I want to try it underneath and see what happens. So I think we'll pause the video and I will install it. You see, it just has this, it's like double-sided foam tape that you use to attach it. I'll go inside and attach it right there. Okay, well, I've turned this around and opened the back door so that I can access here. I'm going to go ahead and stick this in there, assuming it's going to work out fine. So peel this off. I said I'll peel this off. I'll peel this off. There we go. Peel that off. And whoops. Flicker. Okay. And I should have plenty of... Okay, that went right about there. Oh, what was that sound? I don't like that. I hope I didn't break it or something. Okay. So, plug it back in and power this back up. Turn that on. We'll see how it sounds from here. I said, we'll see how it sounds from here. Shouldn't it be making noise by now? All right, let's see. I'll go back. Oh no! No current. Well, minimal current, which I think means that I've killed my little transducer. Installing it. Okay, that didn't go well. Fortunately, and I destroyed that thing. Fortunately, I had bought a second one, a much larger one, because I wasn't sure that that little one was going to be adequate. So we'll go with that, and I will try to install it this time without destroying it. Oh wait, first let's make sure that it works. Okay, I've plugged this in. Oh, and I've turned this on. I hear a little buzzing. Oh, good. And that's quite a bit louder. I say, and that's quite a bit louder. Okay, switching everything off. Well, get this going. One way or another. First I want to make sure, because I haven't test fitted this, it's going to fit in that spot. Yeah, okay. Alright, here we go. Peel and stick. Just that easy, just that quick. Okay. And there we go. It's all peeled. And now it's time to stick. Okay. And we'll verify. Power on. Come on. All right. Sounds quite loud coming out of here. I don't know how it sounds there. So what I'm going to do is switch it off and turn it around. And then I'll eventually hook up the 12 volts to the 12 volts that's inside here. But for now, I don't have to worry about that. Yeah, I'm just going to go like that. Okay. So I've turned it around. The power supply's back there. You can see it. And I'll plug it in and we'll see what happens. That's good. Yeah, that works. All right. So I'll go ahead and install it. I've got some double sticky tape here, extremely strong. Just tape that board in the back of the box here, and then I'll have the volume control in there so it'll be adjustable. You'll have to open the back to adjust it, but I'm okay with that. And then it will be done and fully functioning again.